Hi everyone, I'm Steve, and it's January 30th, 2019. It's about 25 degrees below zero here in Grafton, Iowa, which is not real common. It's gotten down here to 20 degrees below zero before. We've got an overnight low predicted of about 30 degrees. And as you can see, I've got some hot boiling water. Let's see if we can make some clouds and do a little science. And here we go. And there we go, guys. What a beautiful evening for a little science. Now I'm getting surrounded by some beautiful clouds. Thank you for watching.